These are the bungalows at the Cliffs, a vacation rental in Hocking Hills, Ohio. Join us to hear the story of Christine and Kimball, whose love for nature and restful living helped create a haven for burdened travelers seeking solace.
I think we hope that the Cliffs is a means to a greater end. We hope and expect that first they are wowed by the experience, just the nature here. We expect people to feel a sense of peace and calm and that release of getting outside of the city and technology.
When people arrive at the Cliffs, we want them to feel cared for.
We can't create that experience for someone, but we can set the table for that to happen. We all know what it's like to work so hard to relax and take a break, and at the end of it, you're more tired than you were beforehand. We expect that people have a very different experience here, and when they come, they really are unplugging from those things, and they may walk away with depth and vision and the ability to get after whatever they are doing in life when they leave this place. Our goal is to create a world-class boutique nature resort here in Hocking Hills, Ohio. We want to show hospitality and bring people into nature in a way that they can build those deep, deep connections with the ones they love. Those are the pillars of what we're trying to do here.
We saw it and just saw all the potential, but the view was totally being obstructed.
It really put a damper on the experience.
It really did.
When we were originally renovating the lodge, we were on a shoestring budget. It was a big project, and really the project got bigger as we went along. And so we're stuck in this place because we didn't have a lot of funds. We couldn't redo the whole railing system, but we realized we have got to do something to showcase the beauty of the nature. So we started looking at every product that you could possibly think of. And really there was only one solution for us, and that was to incorporate the cable bullet system. It was the one solution for us that was realistic and that was affordable, so we put a lot of railing.
It was a no-brainer that we were going to use cable bullet.
When you're walking around the property outside, when you're sitting on the couches looking out the window, the difference between having the very low profile cable railing and having this big grid system that was there before, it just opens it up so much. So once we experienced that outside, we realized we've got to put this stuff inside too. It was affordable enough, and I think the DIY nature, it was something that we were able to figure out and do ourselves. We see using it in really every property we do moving forward.
Yeah.
As far as what's next, right now we are in the process of completing all of the outside stuff of this phase of development.
We have 100 acres, so we'll be busy for the foreseeable future.